Let's look at how to set up a student video assignment. From the course content page, click the plus icon and select Create. Select Assignment in the right-hand pane. Under Instructions, you can add Please submit a video presentation. Click Save, go into assignment settings. It may be a case where one student will submit one video assignment on their own behalf and get marked as an individual student. It may also be the case that the lecturer may set up groups of students in their module and decide to have a video assignment that involves 4 students in one group, with each person in the group getting marked for the one video presentation submission. If you decide that you're going to use groups of students in this assignment, go down to the Assigned Groups option. In here, you see the students that are enrolled on the course. Click the plus sign. It will create a new Group 1. Click on the students you want to assign to the group. Then click the ellipsis icon and choose the group you want to add them to. Click Save. From the assessment settings, you can now see that there is one group below the assignment group setting. Now click Save. Return to the content page. The new assignment is here. Make it visible to the students. Let's see what this assignment looks like from a student's perspective. I'm now logged into Blackboard as a student. The assignment is here in the Ultra module. Students can see that it's labeled for new Group 1. The student enters the assignment. This brings up the assignment's information, including the group members. They select Start Attempt. They click on the submission box. Then they click on the plus icon to add content. From here, they can select Content Market. Then they choose Panopto Student Submission. This is the feature which allows the students to use the Panopto to create content. The student clicks on that, and it will load in a moment. They will have 3 options along the top of the screen. If they already had a video presentation submission recording on their hard drive, they could use the upload option. With this option, they could drag their presentation videos recording into this drag and drop box, after which they could click Insert to submit to the Blackboard assignment. Most of the students are going to use the record option. With this, they can either download the Panopto application to record their video presentation, or they can use the Panopto Web Capture Recorder. If they select Capture, it will open up a new browser tab. They will see options for video, audio, as well as screens and apps. They can use the latter to share a PowerPoint presentation, for example. They can click on the record button to record the presentation. When they click the record button, a 5-second countdown begins and then the recording starts. Then they click the red square to stop when they are finished recording their presentation. As the video is being processed, the student can see the drop down menu that shows where the video is going to be saved. By default, it's going to be the assignment subfolder in this Ultra Modules Panopto folder. This is a subfolder of this module's Panopto folder. The assignments folder is generally not visible for the students as its parent Panopto folder is usually hidden. Remember, we recommended this step in the video where you set up the Panopto lecture service with an Ultra module previously, which means that students can't gain access to the recording, only lecturers can see it. What we'd recommend is for students to change the storage location to their own Panopto My folder when they're still in the Panopto Web Capture Recorder web tab window. Every student has their own My folder under their own Panopto account. Saving the video here will allow them to have a work in progress area where they can access and edit that recording if they wish. They can sign into Panopto through their web browser at panopto.tcd.ie to access their recording in their My folder area and make any adjustments. Closing this Panopto Capture Web Recorder tab, they return to the Panopto Student Submission screen. The video will be loading, and they could choose to insert it right now. But again, they may want to make edits to the video first. Once their video is ready to go, they can go to the Choose option at the top left. This option allows them to upload a video they've already created. They can see the drop down menu above the video and find their My folder. From here, they can see their video and select it by clicking the circle next to it and then choosing Insert. They'll have a chance to edit the video title and then click Insert again when they're happy. The video is now loading in the submission box and they can click on Submit. They then receive an information, a submission receipt, about their submission from Blackboard. They can choose to download it here, but it will also be emailed to them. The student has now successfully submitted a video for this assignment. Once the student submits the video assignment, that video is placed into a submission subfolder within the Panopto Assignments subfolder. This submissions folder is locked, and students cannot access it or access other students' video assignments or submit another video assignment unless you have given them multiple attempts under the assignment settings. Let's go back to the lecturer's perspective. The lecturer can now go into the gradebook, view that video via the assignment, give feedback, and mark it. They can do this by clicking on the Gradebook tab. They can now see the assignment here with the status submitted. They click on the assignment and then view submission. In here, they will see the video and will be able to play it back. Under the feedback options on the right, the lecturer can give feedback to the individual or the group using the tab options. And then they can insert a score at the top right. Having done that, if they are ready to release marks to students, they can click Post. Let's return again to the student's perspective. They can enter their gradebook through the Gradebook tab. They will now see a mark for their assignment. Clicking into it, they can also see their video and any feedback. That's how Panopto video assignments work in Blackboard Ultra.